Bonjour, I'm Sabine, native of Provence. I love cooking, and when I teach my classes, I'm sharing my passion.
We are in Provence, where everything is fresh.
Das Aubergine, das Courgette.
As we prepare the meal together, we are learning about each other's culture and traditions.
I have basil and oregano, rosemary, but I never try it.
To touch and see in cooking goes beyond the cookbooks, especially for the bread.
It's wet. When it's finished, it's elastic. Just put your finger, it comes back.
There is always time to enjoy an aperitif and Provencal specialities. And what would a fine lunch be without a nice fruit tart to finish?
Voilà. C'est bon? C'est parti. So, bon appétit!
At last we sit and share our meal together as new friends.
So, if you enjoy cooking, come to my home and discover more about Provence. You will be welcome.